Hi everyone! On this tutorial, you'll learn how to scale and transform objects in Reality Max. First, select the object to be scaled. When selected, the bounding box will be activated. To the left of the object, a purple cube will appear. If you move the cursor over it, it will turn yellow. Click on the cube, hold down, and then move it up or down to make the object smaller or larger. We are going to transform one of our object to turn it into a little box. We duplicate the base with Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. We can move an object in space with the arrows on each axis. We adjust the scale by holding down the yellow cube. We can transform the dimensions of an object from the right panel. We are going to make the texture different from the base. Click on the icon of the book on the right and choose from the gallery. For example, this red one, this material reminds me on Mars. Duplicate again and adjust to the size you want. We change the texture, place it in its position, and we have a lid for our box. Catch you later.